actually, masi-certify talaga yan. Ngunit, mukhang meron na maging magandang usapan ng House at saka ang Senado, nakahanap na kami ng solusyon para makapag-import ang gobyerno para kaya natin pababayin. Pagka mataas ang presyo ng bigas, magbibitaw tayo ng bigas, ang bibenta tayo ng mababa para sumunod ang merkado. So, kahit na well, I don't want to preempt the bicameral committee, but I think we have found a solution already so that kahit papano, maybe the mechanism will be different from that which was proposed. But in the end, ang net effect pareho pa rin, makakapag-import ang national government. I don't know through which agency first. They will have to decide which is best. Siyempre, nagkikipag-ugnayan tayo. And I think we may have found a solution. And makikita natin that we will be immediately able to bring down the price of rice.